Hi, welcome back to the channel. Mark and I have been spending time in Ireland and just doing the kind of wandering about kind of thing that we like to do, and really enjoying it. We've got 2 weeks left here in Ireland, and here's a video of what we've been up to this last week. There's dandelions growing in the middle of the road. Look how beautiful this is. Coming up to a major road now, so, and a river. So that's driving in Ireland and the beauty.
Yeah, it's fine. It's nice. I like it.
Okay, it's a 9 o'clock up here.
Take a picture of this sign.
Can I just get it on video?
So, did you ever wonder what a kebab was? I got that coming up for you. Well, everybody knows what chips are and what Guinness is, but if you ever had a kebab, well, pull up your tractor and let's have a meal. Go ahead.
We went across the street to the kebab shop and got dinner tonight.
Yeah, because we're at Melzard's.
Yeah.
And what did we get?
We got a kebab. A doner kebab.
Doner kebab.
Which is kind of like a gyro, but not really. It's got kebab meat, onions, lettuce, and a special sauce. And then
it's like more of a tortilla.
Yep. And then this.
And you got a box.
I got a box. Which is
this
smaller.
Is a doner box.
Doner box with naan. Bam. There you go.
There's your naan.
Uh-huh.
The salad.
Salad, which is on top of it. And that's
it. So
it.
it's basically the same thing.
Yep. So
but mine's better.
Yours is better. Mine's on naan though.
Yep. So
Doners.
Kind of like a gyro.
Yeah.
And the guy, I talked to him. I asked him where he was from. He said he's from Pakistan. And I asked him if he liked it in Ireland. He said yes, he did. So I think this is Turkish food, the kebabs, but it's like whatever Middle Eastern guy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like back in the day when I was a kid growing up, all the Greeks owned the hot dog stands. And a good hot dog stand was usually a Greek guy. So I think the kebab stands are Pakistani or Turkish.
Yep.
So that's a deep dive. I'm not going to go into it. I'm just going to enjoy the food now. So just thought you guys might like a look.
Yeah.
Okay. So after a couple bites of the kebab, if you've never had a kebab, it's like a gyro sandwich, but it's on naan bread, and it has a spicy sauce to it. It's not like tzatziki sauce, but it's similar. It's a creamy sauce. Beth, what about yours?
It's delicious. Really, really good. The meat's fresh, and it's not, you know how sometimes you get it, it's dry or burnt?
Mm-hmm.
You know? But this is really fresh and nice. And it's got a nice salad to go with it, and this sauce, which is a little too spicy for me, but it's still good.
And what do you think the spice is? Hard to say, right?
Yeah, it's really hard
to say. It's a pepper of some kind, but it's not.
Yeah, it's not like black pepper. And it might just be a lot of paprika can be spicy. I don't know. So, but very, very tasty.
Well, I wanted to give you a follow-up on it. And like I said, I'm 2 bites in. And that's a big sandwich. So I don't know how much of that I'm going to eat. But yeah, good times.
So that's one of the molds. This is the release agent,
The release agent.
talcum powder and a
Oh,
mold.
talcum powder. Okay.
Because I can use this mold 500 times.
Wow.
Right? Boards on either side.
Oh, and that's to distribute the force of the clamp.
Yep. And clamp it together. I put on 4 clamps, but these are all clamps.
Oh,
And we've stuck the kits there. They're retailing at €28.
Okay.
The only difference is it's elastic bands to keep them all together.
Okay.
oh, sure.
Alright, so that's that. This is our metal.
Oh,
It takes 10 to 15 minutes to heat the metal.
and what is the metal?
It's a solder. The one I have here is a solder.
Solder. Okay.
Solder. We have a pewter as well, a lighter metal, but a higher melting point.
And more expensive.
Oops, a tapper bolt.
Oh, to get the air
the
out of
bubbles
it.
out?
Yeah. It's very easy to pick it up again.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Use again, right?
Use it again.
Yep.
Yeah. No, they're the most then.
Okay.
You can make road soldiers, you can make some of the chest sets, Christmas decorations down there. Behind you there's fantasy molds. On my right hand side there's fairies and ballerinas.
So you have to have fairies.
Right. And we sell the finished items as well, fairies and red.
Oh. Okay.
So this is the mold for all our finished stuff,
Oh.
right?
Wow.
We don't
so
be doing
you
this
can-
also. Multiple castings. It's put into the machine.
Now, do you pour it in and it just goes all the way around?
Yeah, well, in the machine first.
Uh huh.
It's put into
So
the
you
machine.
get centrifugal force.
Centrifugal force. Metal is being poured in,
I see.
driven to different parts. That's that.
That's
I'll open
cool.
this now for you.
Doesn't take long, huh?
No, it don't take long. Oh, like that.
Wow.
You know, that's not bad for your first time doing it.
Yeah, no, very good actually. And if it didn't come out right the first time, melt it back down again.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I'll put all that in.
That's really cool. Patty Pierce, Brian Maru. It's your famous Irish figures of history. Michael Collins.
They just made a major announcement about tour dates as well as a new album and new single, which is today. It's called Man in the Arena. It's always lovely to talk to him. He's going to be on the show in a little while in this hour. 087 First Rose.
Irish heroes.
Yeah, you can look up who these are.
You're supposed to know who.
Well, there's Michael Collins. He was the kind of one of the leaders of 1916. Brian Maru is a guy who I think he put together the tribes. Well, here's St. Patrick. Now, who is he?
I don't know, but you can go see a well.
It's fine. So we got out of the camper today.
Yay! And look, there's a shiny thing in the air.
Yeah, blue skies. And we're taking a walk over to, there's a market in the town square. We're in a little town called Tralee. I guess it's kind of a big town called Tralee.
Yeah.
And it's nice.
Ooh, sorry.
Okay, I'm done now. We're planning on lunch here. We'll see what it looks like. Might be this spot.
You think so?
So Ireland, business as usual, under construction.
Yeah, we see that a lot.
Yeah. So let's take a little walk here. So this is Tralee. Business as usual. How's your heart, Mark?
Just eat all the cabbage first.
What'd you get?
I got an open-faced chicken sandwich
Nice.
with a salad and potato on side.
Brilliant. Are you happy with it?
I am.
Good. Nice place. This is where we talked about we were going to have lunch. And there's lunch.
We have to come back after 4 for the mushrooms.
Why is that?
That's when they make the mushrooms.
Oh, okay. We'll come back tomorrow.
I never did get those mushrooms, but there'll be more food along the way, I'm sure.
Yeah, too much food. Well, thanks for watching, you guys. It's going to put an end to that one right here.
Yeah.
We know you guys have been commenting and liking the videos. That's really cool. And we appreciate that.
We
So,
sure do, and enjoy making the videos.
yep. Until next time,
We'll see
see you up and down the road.